Altadena. Ooh, it's like eating yogurt filled fruit. No added sugar or honey. Sweeter, fruitier. There's never been a yogurt like it. Fruit juice sweetened, non-fat yogurt. Only from Altadena. The dairy that cares.
Don't let morning breath ruin a good morning. Use Scope. Scope has 2 powerful ingredients to kill 90% of the bacteria that cause morning breath. Scope, the best thing, first thing in the morning.
The odds are against you. It's 3 to 1, you're going to lose. When you ignore plaque, you're gambling with gingivitis, an early form of gum disease. You need Listerine Antiseptic, the only non-prescription mouthwash accepted by the American Dental Association for its significant help in preventing and reducing plaque and gingivitis. And Listerine still kills bad breath germs. So brush, floss, and use Listerine to help prevent gingivitis. Chances are, you'll beat the odds.
Look at that smile. Sensational. She uses Pearl Drops.
Passion, flooded, Pearl Drops.
Pearl Drops has more polishing power than ever to help get your teeth whiter. So,
Fashion, flooded, Pearl Drops. Shine it.
Are your teeth sensitive? Do they hurt? Sensodyne toothpaste can help stop the domino effect that can start with sensitivity. Then pain can make you stop brushing and can lead to tooth loss. Sensodyne toothpaste helps stop the pain and the domino effect.
You're afraid to smile because your teeth are stained from coffee, tea, food, or smoking. Try Keep toothpaste. Keep fight stains. Use Keep and keep smiling.